Baby, you're pretty, don't sleep the sun. Jiggle up, yeah. Give me love, yeah. Jiggle up, give me love, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, I want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support throughout 2019, and as 2020 progresses, I hope you guys will continue to support my channel. So today's mini vlog is just a snippet of my recent trip back home to Jamaica. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below your favorite part of this video, and also let me know in the comments, what are you looking forward to most in 2020?
Put some breadfruit, you cut out the thing, you see? It comes up. Yeah, I turn our breadfruit in my hand.
Play a song tune.
Oh, yeah. Up. Oh, stop.
What you over there doing?
Breadfruit, all you can see the breadfruit. What I say for roast is doing? Breadfruit on a river store.
When you're done, that's a breadfruit roast. No, rough man. You tell me when you're done breadfruit roast. You take me a roast too?
Yep, I did. What's your name?
Tata.
Okay, say hi to my channel. Say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
This is the finished product. Roast breadfruit. And for these some fried plantains.
See, they look nice right there. See them? You don't even see them, I know if they look nice in that for me. That's all. Alright.
Yeah, but it needs to be that color
nice,
right there. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. I said I want that to burn up anyway.
Yeah.
You forgot to say. So we have some saltfish here. Frying up. Yes. That smells good. Pour in some black pepper. Just added the Ackee in.
Alright.
Way full of trap, full of murderer, full of spy and full of shop. Regular we missed it when enemies attack. That's why me have a Mac.